Welcome to ChartMine.ai, your ultimate trading companion for precision market insights. To access our exclusive trading indicator, follow these simple steps. Go to Tradingview.com, click on the Indicators section, and search for ChartMine under the Invite-Only Scripts category. Since this is an invite-only tool, you'll need to subscribe on ChartMine.ai to gain access. Once subscribed, your TradingView account will be authorized to use the indicator. Struggling to identify market trends and key price levels? Finding the right entry and exit points can be challenging, but with ChartMine's Auto Trend Lines feature, trading just got a whole lot easier. In this video, we'll show you how this powerful tool automatically plots trend lines, highlights breakout points, and generates buy and sell signals, giving you a competitive edge in the market. Let's dive in. Welcome to ChartMine Volutrend, a precision tool built to help you ride true market trends, not false moves. Volutrend goes beyond price and focuses on what really drives movement: volume pressure, structural pivots, and directional momentum. Let's break it down. 1. Triangle trend shift signals. Spot directional turns. Instantly, when markets shift direction, Volutrend drops visual triangle signals, up or down, right on your chart. These aren't random arrows. A triangle appears only when price crosses a dynamic average with strength, signaling a potential trend shift. Example: on the 15-minute chart of Bank Nifty, a down triangle appeared just as price broke below the average. Within an hour, price dropped over 120 points. If you had Volutrend, you had the early warning. 2. Volume pressure calculation. Know who's in control. Not all green candles mean buyers are winning. That's why Volutrend calculates real-time volume pressure, showing you whether bulls or bears are actually behind the move. It tracks cumulative buy and sell volume during uptrends and downtrends. A positive delta equals buyers are dominating. A negative delta equals sellers are in control. This delta volume is displayed right on the chart, helping you instantly assess who's really pushing the price. Example: you're watching Reliance bounce off support. Price looks bullish, but Volutrend shows negative delta volume. Sellers are still active. Moments later, the price reverses sharply. That's clarity. 3. Market structure. Pivot lines. Visualize key battle zones. Markets respect structure. Volutrend automatically draws horizontal pivot lines based on recent highs and lows, marking key zones where price is likely to react. These lines stay on your chart until price breaks them, acting as smart support or resistance. And to make it even clearer, Volutrend overlays the average volume over the last 6 bars right on these pivots, giving you a powerful read on how much interest is sitting at each level. Introducing ChartMine Market Pulse, the smart filter that fires only when the market is heating up with real momentum. No more fake breakouts, no more sideways traps. This feature is built for one thing: high volatility, high conviction entries. Here's how it works. A buy signal is triggered only when all the following conditions are met. The green momentum histogram is rising. The histogram is above the explosion threshold. The explosion line itself is rising. And both the green histogram and the explosion line are above the dead zone line. Translation: the market is alive. It's moving. It's ready. And so are you. Want to know when to exit a buy? Simple. The moment the green histogram drops below the explosion line, the move is losing strength. You're out. Sell signals follow the same high-precision logic, but in reverse. The red histogram is rising. It's above the explosion threshold. The explosion line is climbing. And both red histogram and explosion line are above the dead zone. When it comes to trading, identifying trends and key price levels is crucial. That's where the ChartMine Auto Trend Lines feature comes in. This powerful tool automatically plots trend lines, helping you spot market direction with ease. Whether you trade stocks, forex, crypto, or indices, this tool simplifies your strategy by providing clear support, resistance, and breakout signals. Support zones indicate strong buying interest, where price tends to bounce. Resistance levels highlight areas where selling pressure increases, often leading to price reversals. A neutral trend line acts as a pivot, helping traders gauge potential direction changes. When price stays above support, the market is in an uptrend. If it breaks below, the trend may shift downward, signaling a possible sell-off. Now, let's take it a step further with trend lines that break. These dotted lines highlight breakout points where price could make a strong move. Breakouts occur when price moves beyond a key trend line, often followed by increased momentum. For example, when Bitcoin broke above a key resistance level on the 4-hour chart, it triggered a massive rally. Similarly, when Nifty 50 broke below a long-term support trend line, it signaled the start of a bearish phase. Traders who can identify these breakout points early can position themselves for high-probability setups. To confirm a breakout, always look for strong volume. A breakout with low volume might be a false move, but when backed by increasing volume, it's a sign that big players are entering the market. Trading signals make it even easier to take action. The ChartMine indicator generates buy, sell, strong buy, and strong sell signals based on advanced calculations. These signals remove the guesswork from trading, making it simple for both beginners and experienced traders to identify opportunities. A strong buy signal at support can indicate a high probability reversal, while a strong sell at resistance suggests a potential downtrend. Let's look at an example. On the EUR-USD pair, the indicator generated a sell signal just before a major drop. Traders who followed the signal and placed a stop loss above resistance were able to capitalize on the move with minimal risk. Similarly, the S&P 500 displayed a strong buy signal at a key support level, leading to a steady upward trend over the next several sessions. The Multi-Time Frame Dashboard is another game changer. This feature allows traders to analyze trends across different time frames. You can compare the 5 and 15-minute chart for intraday trading with the 4-hour chart for positional trades. Having multiple time frames in view helps confirm setups and provides a broader perspective on market movements. For example, a trader looking at Tesla stock might see a strong buy signal on the 5 and 15-minute chart, but the 4-hour chart could still be in a downtrend. In such cases, waiting for confirmation across both timeframes can improve trade accuracy. Alerts make trading even more convenient. You can set alerts on buy, sell, strong sell, ensuring you never miss a trading opportunity. Even if you're away from your screen, you'll be notified. Whether it's a breakout on the NASDAQ or a bounce on GBP/USD, setting alerts helps you stay on top of the market without constantly watching charts. Choosing the right time frame is essential. The 15-minute chart is ideal for day traders looking for quick entries and exits, while the 4-hour chart is better for swing traders aiming for bigger moves. By combining both, traders can refine their strategies and improve decision-making. For example, a trader using the 15-minute chart might enter a trade based on a short-term trend, but if the 4-hour chart shows strong resistance nearby, it may be best to take quick profits rather than hold for a bigger move. Let's look at some real chart examples of the ChartMine Auto Trendlines feature in action. Nifty 50 formed a strong buy signal at support, leading to a 2% rally. Bitcoin broke a 200-candle trendline, triggering a 15% surge. USD per JPY hit resistance and generated a sell signal, providing a great short entry. The Dow Jones showed alignment across multiple timeframes, confirming a strong market move. For new traders, the key is to follow the plan. The indicator provides clear entry, target, and stop-loss levels. Sticking to these rules helps eliminate guesswork and increases consistency. Advanced features like the 200-candle trendline filter out market noise, making trend identification more reliable. This feature is particularly useful in choppy markets, where minor price fluctuations can create confusion. The dotted trend lines help spot potential reversals before they happen, giving traders a competitive edge. Instead of reacting late, traders can anticipate moves and position themselves ahead of time. Trading involves risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Always use proper risk management when trading. Mastering trend lines can transform your trading strategy, and ChartMine's Auto Trendlines feature makes it effortless. With real-time signals, multi-time frame analysis, and breakout detection, you'll always stay ahead of the market. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Get access now at ChartMine.ai and start making smarter, more confident trades today.